Hello everyone, meteorologist Mike here for Synoptic scale CONUS forecast from July 3rd to July 7th. And as always, before we get started, a couple things I do need to go over. One, this is not a full and complete forecast, it's just an overview of large-scale events happening over the continental United States. For a full and complete forecast of your area, please see your local meteorologist or your favorite weather app. And secondly, all of my times are in Zulu time or the GMT time zone. This is a standard across Guatemala, so we don't have to deal with time zones, and I am continuing that trend. I will, however, have all the time zone conversions down in the description below. Alright, let's get started with what's happening right now. 12Z on the 3rd, we have a cold front in the east stretching from New Jersey down to Tennessee. A couple of scattered showers along that front. We have a high pressure coming in behind that front, and some tropical storm remnants in front of it in North Carolina. We have another low pressure off in Montana with a warm front along its side, stretching all the way to Minnesota. Right now that front is dry. I do expect that to change to some showers and thunderstorms, some of which will be severe as seen here by the SPC Day 1 convective outlook, and enhanced risk for severe weather in Montana and North Dakota, with a slight risk for severe weather in both the Dakotas and down to Nebraska. Alright, let's look ahead at 0Z on the 4th. The cold front in the east has moved down to Missouri to North Carolina, still seeing showers and maybe a thunderstorm along that front. High pressure is now in full control of the northeast. We have that low pressure off in the west has moved down to Colorado, and that front that's attached to it has turned around with it and turned cold, now seeing showers and thunderstorms along the entirety of that front. 12Z here on the 4th. Once again, that front has turned around, so it's now turned into a warm front, still seeing showers and thunderstorms along its entirety. Low pressure is in South Dakota, and the front stretches off into Minnesota. SPC Day 2 convective outlook, a pair of slight risks. One in Montana and the Dakotas, and the second one in Minnesota, Wisconsin, Iowa, and Illinois. 0Z here on the 5th. Low pressure has returned to Wyoming, and the front has once again turned around, turned cold, and is stretching all the way to Michigan, still seeing showers and thunderstorms across the entirety of the front. 12Z on the 5th. We've got fun stuff happening. Low pressure is now in Nebraska, and the cold front stretches off to Michigan, where another low pressure has formed. Now, the cold front itself has dried up, but off of each low pressure, there is an extra trough that's kicking off showers and thunderstorms. On the west, the western low, the trough is stretching up into Montana, and on the eastern low, the trough is stretching down to Indiana. SPC Day 3 convective outlook, another pair of slight risks, one in Montana, the Dakotas, and Nebraska, and the other one in Pennsylvania, Maryland, Virginia, West Virginia, Ohio, Kentucky, and Indiana. Alright, 0Z on the 6th. The pair of low pressures has moved eastward. The western low pressure is in Nebraska, with a cold front stretching all the way to New York, where a second low pressure has another cold front attached to that low pressure, stretching northeast through Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine. I'm seeing showers and thunderstorms across both fronts. 12Z on the 6th. The low pressure in Nebraska hasn't really moved much. The front has it stretching off into Delaware, where it goes out to sea. Still seeing showers and a couple of thunderstorms along the front. 0Z on the 7th. The western low pressure has moved down into Kansas, and the front now stretches off into North Carolina. 12Z on the 7th. The front has mellowed out a bit, now stretching from Texas to South Carolina, At this time, I'm only seeing showers associated with this front, and the high pressure is still in control of the east. Alright, that's my CONUS forecast for the day. Let's take a quick look into the Atlantic. The only thing that's happening is Cullen, the remnants of Cullen. We are not keeping an eye on any more disturbances for right now. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for future forecasts.